Hello my dear English-speaking subscribers. You won't believe it, but I decided to film a new vlog, not only today but during these upcoming weeks, because I'm currently in Lviv, and I'm sure a lot of you heard about the city or maybe been here, because it's a very nice and beautiful and old city in the western Ukraine, in the west of Ukraine. And back in January I really wanted to come here and to live here for some time, so now I'm here. It is quite stressful to live in a new city and a new apartment, so I'm getting used to it. I guess everything will be alright because they have a very good coffee, cheers, and best cakes in the world, sirniki, that I really like. It's like cheesecake, but more delicious. Yeah, today I met with my friend Oksana. I'm sure a lot of people who are watching this video right now already know her. She was always featuring in my vlogs from Weimar, so yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, she's basically my manager. So we just met for a coffee, to read, to work, to chill a bit. And also today is the national holiday. Is it the national holiday? In Ukraine it's the Vyshivanka day. Vyshivanka is our traditional shirt. It's very beautiful. I'm gonna show you Oksana in Vyshivanka, and it's a very, very beautiful holiday, I would say, because I really like Vyshivankas, and when a lot of people are wearing them, it's always nice to see them. Business lady today, working, and a very nice Vyshivanka. Although Oksana says it's not Vyshivanka, but it kinda is. You wanna say something to my subscribers? Oops.
Hello, subscribers.
Long time no see.
Yes, please come to me.
Promotion. Okay, bye. I just bought a Pampukh like this. I don't know if you can see it, but I will show it to you later. Well, I will be hit by a car in a moment. It's kind of like a traditional thing in Ukraine to bake, especially for Christmas. Yeah, I guess for Christmas it's the time when people bake them. I never did it, but I like to eat them, and I bought the one with the cherry. Gonna update you on how it feels, how it tastes. I came to one of the most beautiful churches in Lviv, in my opinion. It's called the Dominican Church and Monastery. It looks so nice and beautiful, and especially when it's spring and everything is green. Here is also a little park. I'm gonna go sit somewhere and eat my Pampukh. I didn't find any free benches to sit on, unfortunately, but I came across the flea market. It's usually, I guess it's every day, it's there on a square, which name I don't know, next to the monument of Ivan Fedorev. He printed the first book in Ukraine, I guess that's the story. But now I came to one of my favorite streets in Lviv. It's very quiet and beautiful, of course. I don't know the name, maybe it's, yeah, it's Lesya Ukrainka street. Lesya Ukrainka was one of the famous Ukrainian writers and poetresses. Do you say it like this? She wrote poems. Yeah, so I'm gonna go down the street and then maybe find a bench there. There are also a lot of cafes and restaurants on this street. It's very cozy in the evening when there are lights everywhere and people sitting on the terraces, like outside. I really like this street. I just realized again how frustrated I feel sometimes in Lviv, in the city center, because I'm never sure where I will end up, because I might think that I'm going in one direction and then I am on the street I don't know. That's weird because it's weird to live in a city you don't know. Although I've been here like 10 times, I don't know, quite a lot of times. Yeah, so I wasn't expecting to be on the street I am now. I'm kind of moving in the direction of my home. I didn't plan it yet, but okay, maybe I'll find a bench somewhere here to eat my pampukh. Okay, I found the bench, eating my pampukh. Just look how sexy and beautiful it is. It's very oily, it's very fat, but no regrets. That's just a masterpiece. It's kind of like a donut thingy, but it's pampukh and it's very good. I wanted to go to the market because I live nearby and buy some vegetables, but I forgot that I don't have any cash. So it's a life hack for you. If you come to Ukraine, if you go to the market, you should always have cash with you because I asked the woman that I was going to buy tomatoes from if I can pay by card, which was obviously a very stupid question because they never take card. So just for you to know, it's always smart to carry cash with you. I really like the square where I live. There is like a place for kids to play. Which is very nice and kind of reminds me of Stockholm. And then there are beautiful houses and a little park. Welcome to my room. I'm not gonna show you the whole flat because I don't really like the kitchen. It's dark and not really nice, but I kind of like this part of the bedroom because the other part is just this thing for the storage of your things. I have no idea how it's called, like shelves, wherever. It's also not very interested and not very beautiful, but this one I really like. It's kind of Pinteresty. And then I also really like the view to the square and little park I showed you already. It's nice and very green. I like looking in the window, from the window, and I like that I see a lot of green. It really makes me happy. And that's my workplace. I actually brought this table from the kitchen because I won't be spending any time in the kitchen, I'm sure. Honestly, when I was coming here, I didn't expect it will be so frustrating to be alone and to live alone in the not a familiar place. Yeah, the first night it was quite scary to stay here alone in this big room, and every sound scares me. But I guess I will eventually get used to it. And thanks God I have Oksana here. I know I have a friend here that I can rely on. And she also has a lot planned for me to do in Lviv. So yeah, I guess I'll be fine. Wow, I'm talking for too long. What I also wanted to mention is that it's Eurovision now. I guess it was the second semi-final yesterday, and I really like the Ukrainian song, and I'm gonna go listen to it now for the 10th time already, and I'm also gonna watch the performance, like the live performance, for the 4th time. I'm so I don't know, touched by this song. So amazing in terms of combining national music, like folk music, with the electronics, and it's just, the vibe is amazing, and I always want to dance. So I just wanted to recommend you to check this song out. If you are not following Eurovision or you are not a fan of Eurovision, do it, because the song is not like typical pop Eurovision song about love. It's much more deeper, and it sounds awesome. I am highly recommending you. Okay, now you go check it out. I will leave the link in the description. And speaking about music, there is a music torture going on here with me for 2 nights in a row already, because someone in this building is playing music like twice a day, like one time in the afternoon, another time late at night. Yesterday it was until 3 a.m. almost, and I'm just going crazy because it seems like people there are recording a track, like a song, because there is one song that like repeats again and again and again, and it's slowly turning me crazy. I'm going to stay here for 3 weeks, and if it doesn't stop, I will just go mad eventually, I guess, because it's just unbearable. And I don't know what to do because I'm too afraid to go there and ask them to stop, and I don't even know where they are. And so I'm just hoping for other neighbors to be more courageous. What's the word for it? Yeah, to be more brave and go there and ask them to be quiet, because playing so late in the night is kind of fucked up, and I hate it so much. I hate it so much that I can't sleep. So yeah, that's my story. I am always the luckiest one. It's such a nice weather today. It's very warm and sunny, and it was raining like 2 days in a row when I came, and I was a bit disappointed because I really wanted to walk a lot and to sit outside in cafes, and today is a perfect day to do it, so I'm very, very, very happy. Here is just a typical old Lviv yard. I really like them. Today I came to Oksana's place and we're gonna cook Khachapuri, which is a traditional Georgian food that we really, really like. And I know probably you expected to see something traditional Ukrainian in this vlog, but not today, because today is Georgian food day. So I'm gonna keep you updated. Oksana made a dough from yeast, water, milk and sugar and salt, and we left it for 40 minutes, and now I am taking care of our cheese, and then you will see the magic. Although it was quite a challenge to tear off the baking paper, our Khachapuris were amazing and they tasted so good. Apparently I was too concentrated on eating them. I forgot to say bye to you, so now I'm saying it. Thanks for watching and goodbye. See you in the next vlogs.